channel presets, the compressor settings that I have on here, the EQ. It's all just basic sound design. It's not supposed to be the most accurate thing. It's just to kind of get you started. So go download it. Everything is included. The MIDI for all the parts. It's a sample drums that I ripped from the original drums. So go download it. Oh, Camel Crush is put it on the master. It's also free. You can go download it online. I'll put a link in the description. Also go get this TikTok chorus. It's awesome. All right, later.